Hi, I'm Hannah. In this video, we're going to add a rotating announcement bar to a Squarespace website using the SquareKicker extension. With this tool, the text inside your announcement bar becomes animated and you can cycle through multiple messages. The typewriter effect is not to be missed. The announcement bar is found in marketing tools, but as we know, these menus often shift, so the fastest way to find something is by hitting this / key in the back end of Squarespace, and then you can search for it. So we can find here the announcement bar. Simply type your message that you want to share in your announcement bar into the text box and press save. Now it's important, if you want to share multiple messages, as we'll be doing soon with the rotating announcement bar tool, add these in right to here, with each new message starting on a new line. You can see this one here is a longer message and it's wrapping, but that will still show as one single message. So if you want to create multiple lines, you're just going to hit the return key and that's going to create a new message. Quick tip, if you update the message after using the SquareKicker tool, you'll need to refresh your browser to see the changes. With SquareKicker tools, you can style your announcement bar and animate the text inside so that it rotates through your series of messages. You'll see that there are 4 transition styles to choose from, and you can adjust the settings to customize how your announcements will display. Let's take a look. All right, we're going to open the SquareKicker extension in the top level menu. We're going to open the Site Tools, and under the Advanced tab, we'll find the rotating announcement bar, which is where we'll animate the text. The first mode you can choose from is Fade, which as it suggests, fades in and out. This can be subtle or more dramatic depending on the speed and transition delay you set. So we can click Fade, you'll know it's activated as this one will be light up yellow, and then you can adjust the speed to make them cycle through faster or slower. And you can also change the transition delay. So this will change the delay between the messages as they show up. The second mode is Slide, where the text moves vertically in and out of the announcement bar. You can set the direction as well as the speed and transition delay. So again, speed, making those cycle through a little bit faster if you want to grab people's attention, and transition delay. And with this one, you can also change the direction up or down. The third mode is Scroll, and Scroll creates a unique ticker tape effect as you see the text moving horizontally across the width of the screen. This means that you can see multiple messages at once. It could also be useful for displaying longer messages. Again, you can set the speed and direction and also spacing. Saving the best for last, Typewriter Mode brings a fun, nostalgic feel to your site. Additional settings with this mode include cursor style, where you can have pipe, underscore, block, or none, irregular typing, and backspace animation. You can toggle off the last 2 settings for a cleaner, more simple animation with just a hint of fun, or leave them on for the full typewriter experience. With the SquareKicker extension, you can create a truly custom announcement bar by styling background, border, font, layout, spacing, and the close icon. You can find these settings in the Design tab. Want to know more about what you can achieve with these tools? Look for the link in the description to our tutorial that dives into customizing the look of your announcement bar. We've just explored rotating announcement bars in Squarespace. You can now go ahead and animate your announcements, cycle through multiple announcements, and style your bar to suit your brand. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.